No. That was, oh, well, I was happy to be here. Yes, it did, dude it. This is my buddy. My buddy. And you say, well, why would your buddy be a toilet? I figure it must be my buddy because I've been over here and spent so much time with it. I've got family members I ain't seen as much as I have this toilet. I hate this toilet. What's going on? Oh,
I didn't see that.
it's got contraptions and whistles and bells and stuff, and you hear it, it beeps, and it greets you when you walk in the room. It also has a auto clean feature, and you can, oh man, I don't even want to touch that button. So, they've changed, no, here it comes. This part lifts up. Okay, you've never seen it before. And these little things, you have to unbolt them. Somebody's already unbolted them, thank goodness. And that might be the whole situation of what's going on here. And look at that. Yeah, look at that. And then you get in here and look what the hell American Standard has done. Look what they've done. Look at this precision. They think. So there's a dual flush mode thing here. You can do it one way and get a little flush. You see it's triggering the black flapper there. And on the other side is, if you will, you've got some serious business. So you can do one side lightly, or you can press it all the way down the handle. You press it all the way down and get a double action going here. And this is all precisely adjusted, precisely balanced, little thing. If I ever had to even change the flapper in this thing, I believe I'd tell the customer, excuse me, I need to go to the truck just for a minute. And I'd take my little pistol out and just shoot myself right there on the spot. Who in their right mind would design something like this? So the first time that we got here, one of the problems was the way this little ear fits here, and these little tabs fit in it. They push. You push it in, and it twists. And so, of course, when it goes in and twists, it locks. Well, one of the little tabby things, you see this one's got stress marks on it, looks like to me. That's just what it looks like. Well, both of them do. So maybe that's actually a reinforcement now. Maybe that's something they've come back and addressed. Our problem was this was broken. Did I do it? Did the helper do it? Did it get done at the shipping? Nobody knows. We don't really understand it. My point is, it was so flimsy that, yeah, it shouldn't have been able to be broken that easy, that effortlessly, whatever it took. So I'm thinking that I've caught it. Here, run this thing for me. Hold this so it does that. I'm thinking that since I got here, and the first thing that I noticed was that these weren't in place. And let's see if we can cause, there's no water coming into the, all right, I understand now. You go. Thank you. think what we have here is a bad fill valve. That's exactly what's going on. So, with that, I'm going to turn the water supply off to it. God, it's $1 million home, and it has compression valves. Okay, that's us. Let me unplug it. That's right, I just unplugged the toilet. Now this, well, I'm expecting a quick release mechanism here, and I am not. Okay, I see it. It's aha, there we go. Ah! I don't know how quick it is. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's pretty quick. Not happy. Oh God, thank you, American Standard, for taking something so simple and making it ungodly complex. So I'm gonna have to take it completely apart. I think this unit is gonna get a fill master. I believe we can jam one up in there, Ronald. And with that, I got a real ugly gesture that I would like to give you, but we're gonna save that. So we're gonna leave here and we're gonna go get a fill master. And I'm gonna put that puppy in. And that's gonna solve this problem. And I'm gonna see how long this pause button lasts. So the next thing you look in here and you'll see is this thing will be different. And it'll work. God, I hope it'll work. I hate this toilet. And then poof. Yeah, I told you. So here's the little thing. We put a fluid master in here. Very simple thing. It wasn't easy at all. It was not easy at all. Because of cluster, Jesus. Yeah, anything to complicate life more, right? And who do you see because of it? Oh my God, well this is, all right, this is a separate aftermarket entity thing that gets incorporated even further. Regardless, if I don't drop this lid before I try to put it on there. And then run the little lucky tabby things in there. And I'm not gonna run it through a cycle. It should flush. That should just be simple as that. So a little bit for a little flush, and a lot for the whole big flush. Ooh, I heard something. I ain't even gonna look. I'm just gonna say that was a task accomplished. Why did that happen? Look at it. Look. Plumber getting dirty. How dare. That's just not right. Oh, I'm done with you. I'm done with you. And don't you dribble on the floor down there. You being tight. That's right. You hungry, ain't you? Don't leave me alone. Leave me out of it. We're done with you. I told you. Oh, Lord have mercy. So, yeah, it's fun to be a plumber. Looks like it's more fun to be a designer. Lord, help us all. Help us all. Please, don't ever fire that boy. God, he might start in the car industry or something that matters. And we'll all be up the creek then, won't we? Keep him right there where he's at. American standard. Don't you let that boy go nowhere. Jesus.